the far edge of the galaxy, there existed a peaceful planet called Etherian. Its people believed in knowledge, progress, and harmony. The cities shimmered with light, and children played without fear. One evening, a child looked up at the sky and said, "Mama, look how beautiful the stars are." His mother smiled gently and replied, "Yes, my child, they will always be there." But that very night, the sky changed. Strange ripples formed above the planet, and glowing blue and purple portals began to open. In the control room, a scientist cried out in alarm, "A massive fleet is approaching." And just like that, the era of peace came to an end. Within moments, thousands of warships with red glowing engines appeared. An officer whispered in fear, "The Dominion has returned." Warning alarms echoed across the planet. Admiral Kale stood on the command deck, staring at the star map before him. With firm determination, he ordered, "Prepare the fleet. We will not retreat." Defense ships launched into space. Soon, space itself became a battlefield. Laser beams collided, explosions thundered. A pilot shouted, "Shields are failing!" Kale commanded, "Protect the planet." Then the largest enemy ship emerged, the Dominion Crown. Its planet-destroying weapon began to charge. A scientist warned, "Sir, if it fires, the planet will be destroyed." Kale took a deep breath and said, "Then we must stop it." Kale's ship flew directly toward the massive enemy vessel. A pilot protested, "Sir, this is a suicide mission." Kale smiled calmly. Sometimes sacrifice is the only path to victory. Moments later, a tremendous explosion lit up the darkness. A brilliant wave of light tore through space, and the Dominion Crown shattered into pieces. The enemy fleet retreated, and silence returned. Morning light spread across Etherian. People slowly stepped outside. The child looked up again and said, "Mama, the stars are back." Tears filled her eyes, but she smiled. "Yes, my child, someone saved them." And so every star began to tell a story of sacrifice.